Here's a list of programming languages. Let's get started. C. Efficient and still the backbone of many systems. A tier. C++. High performing but steep learning curve. A tier. Go. Simple and fast but not widely adopted yet. B tier. Java. Reliable and widely used but can feel old school. A tier. JavaScript. Versatile, beginner friendly, and widely useful. S tier. Kotlin. Popular for Android but less adopted in Java. B tier. PHP. Once popular but now rapidly fading. D tier. Python. Another versatile, beginner friendly, and widely useful language. S tier. Ruby. Elegant but mostly outdated and less relevant now. C tier. Swift. Fast and safe but tricky for beginners. B tier. Thanks for watching and follow for more.